Hi everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SKT213 USB in black. Alright, as you can see on the front here, it has 4 USB type A's and two 13 amp sockets on the front there. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. All right, let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, so inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws that can fit into your standard Patras box. And you'll also get an instruction leaflet, which I'll show you in a second. Okay, first let's just take a look at the product. Let's do a nice little 360 view here for you. All right, and then let's take the plate off for installation. Nice and easy with your palm. Push forward on each corner and it pops off nice and easy here. Okay, you can see your 2 holes in the side here. That's where the screws will go into that we provide with the product into your Patras box. Okay, as you can see from the side here, you'll need a 47mm depth for your Patras box at minimum. Okay. Also on the back here, you can see that you'll need a bridging, which is very common in Europe to get full power to the socket. All right. The cool thing about these guys is, let's say you've changed the paint in your house and it doesn't match the old socket that you got anymore. No problem. Just you can pop on a new faceplate just like that, nice and simple, to match the decor. All right, so let's take that off. Let's put the old one back on there, just like that. Okay, and then we'll just take a quick little look at the instruction leaflet. All right, on the one side, you have all of our social media. If you head on to any one of those, give us a like and a follow. We would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over to the back, you have a bunch of ways that you can contact us. The first is a phone number, second an email, third is live messenger. Also in the bottom right-hand corner here, you'll see the Scan Me. If you scan that, it'll take you to our instructional page, give you tips and tricks on how to install your light switches or sockets. Okay, and then let's take a look at the bag here for a second that it came in. First, let's take a look at the SKU, the ART-SKT213USBBK for black. You got our barcode there and the QR code here. If you scan that, it'll take you straight to our Trendi Switch page and you can see our full range of products. Also, if you flip it on over here, you can see the recycling symbol. So you know that this packaging is completely recyclable. All right, that's it. Make sure you leave us a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. Like and share, and please subscribe. Don't forget about that bell notification on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. All right, have a trendy day.